Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Bold Rahul on our most expensive set yet, where we're going to be trying out a new format where we'll have 5 guys and 1 girl, and our job as a panel is to identify who is dating whom.
आप nervous तो नहीं अपनी girlfriend या boyfriend से?
मैं सबको देख रही हूँ.
That's true. Like I can't tell anything from her reaction.
I mean, if you have a face like that, everything is cool.
The real boyfriend is going to have the time of his life after today.
मैंने इसके लिए अपने मुंह से फुग्गे फुगाए थे हाँ मैंने
Pause.
बात तो नहीं है.
Pause. What has this show become, bro?
Let's bring out the girl and let that sound so weird.
Hello.
Hi. So my name is Vanshika. I'm 21 years old and I'm from Mumbai. So I've recently completed my graduation in food nutrition and dietetics.
Wow.
Are you from Mumbai?
And you study in a college in Bombay?
That's right.
I've completed.
You've completed your college. Oh.
So are you working now?
No, actually I've taken a break because I'm a little confused about this
Food and
degree.
nutrition?
Yeah, kind of. So I also am interested in modeling. So I'm thinking, what should I do? Parents have to convince me, so
Do you live with your parents?
yeah,
Sweet.
Nice
to
meeting
meet
you,
you, Vanshika.
same here.
Best of luck.
Should we bring out the boys? Let's go, let's have the boys out.
Yeah, let's go.
And
All right.
let's go.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, wow.
Continue to have.
Very different looking man. Oh, interesting.
Interesting.
Okay. Jean jacket is not to be trusted.
Interesting.
Yeah,
This
he
man
looks
is just
shady.
He looks like he'll send like a multi-level marketing scheme to like a single mother or something like that. I can't trust him. This guy seems nice.
The second guy,
seems
no?
Nice.
Yeah.
Doesn't this guy work in Main Street?
He's the imposter, dude.
Which who walked with me?
The 4th guy.
So it makes
Alright.
sense why he just got his girlfriend in for this video.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe. Fab India was also good.
If one of you come ahead, introduce yourself, and then go back.
My name is Raj Rajput. I'm 24 years old and I'm currently living in Mumbai, but I'm from Surat, Gujarat. And ऐसे तो मैं कुछ नहीं करता, but dance is my hobby, तो
आप कुछ भी नहीं करते?
नहीं मतलब डांस करता हूँ मैं ऐसे एज एन हॉबी. मैंने आपको बताया ना मैं सूरत से हूँ, तो बिजनेस एंड फादर्स बिजनेस.
Oh, generational wealth. Let's write that down.
Okay. Thank you, bro.
Whenever someone comes, just observe one shot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, fuck, I wasn't doing that.
Okay, Raj, come again.
Now it's too late.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Number 2, yes, please.
I'm Vineet. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Chennai and I'm currently pursuing my MBA from NMIMS.
Are you going to follow him?
No, the first year. Thank
What
you.
are you doing in MBA?
Family business and entrepreneurship.
Oh,
सब family business वाले हैं यहाँ पे. What's that?
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Bhavesh and I'm 21. I'm pursuing my BMM degree right now and I'm a model.
You're a model as well?
Yeah.
How old are you again?
I'm 21.
21.
Yeah.
cool.
This fucking
This guy, bro.
I just don't trust him. I just don't trust him.
Yeah, I already know his name. I've written his name already. Before he introduces himself. Bata, bhai.
Hi guys, my name is Shreyansh Pokhariya.
Imposter. Take him out of this round. Well, how old are you?
I'm 23.
23 का तो मुझे लगता तो.
I'm 23.
Okay. And what do you do, bro?
I play with these toys called cameras.
That's a weird way of putting it. Very weird way of putting it. He's with cameras. All right, thanks. Get out of here.
Oh shit, I forgot to look at Vanshika only.
Yeah, same. Even I wasn't doing that.
Okay, fine. Now we'll catch up.
Hi, I'm Tejas Anand and I'm 26 years old and I work as an assistant director in a production company and I belong from Nagpur city.
Kanpur city.
No, Nagpur city, the city of oranges.
Yes, that is specific.
And how long have you stayed in Bombay for?
For 2 years now.
What movies have you been part of?
It's not released yet.
All right, thanks.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
I wasn't paying attention to Vanshika enough when these guys were coming. I
Yeah.
should have. But I can say Muneet, number.
Vineet.
Wait, his name is Vineet.
I wrote Muneet. 21 Chennai, who's that?
Vineet.
Vineet, sorry,
But
my
you
bad.
should be here, guys. Don't mess
Yeah,
with the
sure.
order. Yeah,
Okay.
Thank you.
Vineet, when he came up, he did stand much closer to her than all the other guys.
I think it's because
I
of
don't know
his.
if that.
I I don't want to say because of his height, but.
What do you have something in short people? You have something in short people? The fuck?
Yeah, no, I think
don't
Vineet
listen
and
to
Vanshika
Kat.
have like this friendship energy. So even
Okay.
if they're not dating, I have a feeling that they know each other. And Tejas was like weirdly when he came there, he was the only guy who actually looked at Vanshika after he responded. Like he like looked.
Ooh, dude, he's blushing now as well. Why is Vanshika also smiling?
I'm always smiling.
Oh,
But unfortunately, you were very much
Do-
into the
do-
boys, so you couldn't see me.
right, correct.
Today our job is to question everything. We're skeptics.
Yes.
Let's go. Raj, please come here. Tell us the story of how you guys met each other and where your first date was.
मैं सूरत से आया एक्चुअली फॉर डांस क्लासेस दैट किंग्स इन अंधेरी सो मैं वहाँ मिला इससे दैट वाज
ये डांस करती है?
करती हैं बहुत अच्छा
और फिर क्या हुआ? Like how did the romance begin?
हाँ रोमांस तो नहीं वो दुश्मनी से दोस्ती हो गई दोस्ती हुई भी नहीं एक्चुअली
Oh, the enemies to lovers.
एनिमीज टू
trope.
लवर्स
interesting. What happened?
जब हम मिले पहली बार तो पहला इसका जो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि बहुत एटीट्यूड है बहुत एरोगेंट है जस्ट बिकॉज ये इतनी हॉट है एंड क्यूट है तो उस वजह से
Seems like a very like Bollywood.
और हम मिले तो फिर इसको बहुत ऐसा लगा कि मैं बहुत एरोगेंट हूँ या मैं बहुत हरामी हूँ
Fine, fine.
यू कैन सी
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
तो मैंने स्टार्ट किया फ्लर्ट करना एंड ऑल फिर झगड़े बहुत ग्रेजुअली बढ़ते रहे एंड एक
क्या
महीने
आपका इंट्रो लाइन क्या था फ्लोटिंग करने के टाइम?
तो मैंने इसको बोला कि हैंड राइटिंग से हाथों की सॉफ्टनेस पता चलती है तो कैन यू प्लीज सेंड मी दोस पिक्चर्स तो वो फ्लर्टी लाइन थी एक बहुत ही चीज़ी तो इसने मुझे ऑलमोस्ट रिजेक्ट ही कर दिया था
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. हाँ.
एंड उसके बाद हमारा पहला डेट जो था वो आफ्टर 3 months क्लास के
3 महीने लग गए.
3 महीने लग गए
क्यों फिर आपने इंस्टाग्राम पे कनेक्ट नहीं किया?
किया
Did
ना
you send
किया
her memes
बात करके
and
किया बट एक्चुअली हमारे बीच में कुछ अच्छी बातें होती थी तो मैं 10 लोगों को बताता था तो वो उस
मैं
तक भी
नहीं
पहुंचता था क्योंकि बंदों को ऐसा था कि यही क्यों मैं भी ट्राई करूंगा तो वो मेरा पत्ता काट रहे थे और वो कट भी गया था एक्चुअली
Man.
और मुझे ये नहीं मिली तो मैं दूसरी बंदियों के पीछे
Oh my
लग
god.
गया तो इसको लगा ये तो
See,
ऐसा ही है।
shady guy, bro. He's a shady guy. What?
तो
As
इसको
soon as
लगा
you put on that jean
She's
jacket.
pissed. She's pissed now. She's like heard about other girls. She's pissed. Interesting.
तो उसके बाद हम एक डेट पे गए बाई कार
कार ये डिटेल क्यों बताया था?
क्योंकि इसलिए गए वो रीज़न था एक मुंबई बहुत महंगा है टू अफोर्ड ओयोज एंड ऑल तो फिर
तो पर कहाँ गए? डेट पे बाय कार?
वर्सोवा बीच जाना था बट बाई हुक हम ऐसे लाइक एक डेड रोड पे पहुंच गए तो गाड़ी वहीं लाइक
Okay. Okay.
Chalo, thank you, Raj.
Thank you so much, Raj. Thank you so much for oversharing with us. Vineet.
Okay, we'll do a quick test. Who's the boyfriend?
Hey, wait.
Okay, fine. Let's go, Vineet. 24 Chennai NMIMS family business.
21 Chennai.
Oh, fuck.
21 Chennai.
Not so
Family
much more.
business.
When did you come to Bombay?
4 months back.
4 months back.
Yeah.
Oh,
All right,
recently. So
okay.
how long have you guys been dating?
It was 9th of August. We met each other at a clubbing place called Bar Bank,
Where is that?
Juhu Chowpatty के सामने.
Where was Vanshika?
No, wait,
Where
did
did
you-
you see her? What was the opening line?
What was
and
the,
what
what's the
happened?
story?
As usual, pre-boost करके गए. उस दिन ही specifically क्यों गए तो मेरा दोस्त like he came in from Jodhpur to Mumbai saying
एक सेकंड
talking to
तू 4 महीने पहले मुंबई आया
Yeah.
4 महीने पहले कब है जुलाई
August बोला.
हाँ
July, हाँ.
हाँ तो उसके अंदर बार बार तेरा गो टू प्लेस हो गया
yeah NMIMS का go to place Bar Bank है.
अच्छा ओके ये मुझे नहीं पता था
Yeah एक हफ्ते में पता चल गया था.
Okay, I'm waiting for the moment
Yeah.
of
Yeah,
when did
yeah.
this happen?
He's sending too much background context
Yeah,
I
yeah.
feel like this is some deflection tactic
So मेरी नज़र वंशिका पे पड़ी.
What was she wearing?
She was wearing the exact same dress.
Interesting. Yeah, very clubby outfit. Do you
that
think?
is true that is true
I'm an introvert, so it's really difficult for me to go approach a girl. So मैंने मेरे दोस्त को बोला I find her really cute. वो लाइक जा बात कर लाइक नहीं यार वो क्या सोचेगी बहुत awkward हो जाएगा नहीं मेरे से नहीं होगा. So I was like ठीक है be my wingman. So How I Met Your Mother किसने देखी है यहाँ से?
yes yes
It's like have you met Ted वो वाला scene recreate हो गया. It's like he's my friend he finds you really cute. So she's like कौन है बताओ. Like जाके then we started talking. Usually girls confident होते हैं but it comes off as like they are arrogant. But वो सही में confidence जैसे feel हुआ like we genuinely connected. Then उसके बाद we started dancing थोड़े shots लिए.
What's the choice of alcohol?
एक
Jaeger.
We had Jaeger shots.
You had Jaeger shots, but does she prefer drinking Jaeger or any other alcohol?
What's her
वो तो
favorite?
पूछा नहीं मैंने directly Jaeger shots.
पर अब तो पता है आपको you've been dating ना?
Vodka shots.
अब वोडका पीती है पहले उस दिन क्लब में Jaeger पी रहे थे.
उस दिन Jaeger पी.
अच्छा.
Sir, after a point we started talking. So एक दूसरे को और जानना चाहते थे. So we thought that we'll go someplace quieter. So वहाँ से Sun and Sand करके एक resort है which is nearby. So हम वहाँ गए.
She was alone at the club.
No, she was with her friends also.
So she left
Two
her
of her
friends and came with you,
Yeah.
the guy she met for the first time. Okay, yes.
Obviously, like
Yes, yes.
वो
of
हुआ
course.
ही.
For a man like you, of course, obviously.
अरे ठीक है. So we went to a Sun and Sand. It's like a private beach resort. Like वो open रहता है 24/7 with a beach view. Juhu beach का view है, but कोई भी आके बैठ सकता है. Have
पता
beer
है, हम
and.
मुंबई से ही है.
Okay,
हमें
हाँ.
पता है.
Okay, we talked. It was late, like till 4. We were talking with each other. वो सब हुआ. Then I dropped her home. Contacts exchange हुए, and the next day I texted her like, you played a very interesting role in my dream last night.
Oh.
So काफी cheesy था.
भाई तो 5 बजे तो ड्रॉप किया है.
अरे obviously 12 बजे drop किया. I know it's very cheesy. ऐसे ही said I'm an introvert person. उसने वापस reply दिया, and the same day we went to a date to Mirage. And
Same
then-
day, next day, second
Yeah.
date. Insane. Insane.
This is
Vanshika.
moving too quick.
Wow. Too quick.
And then yes,
So first Sun and Sand.
yeah. No,
Next
first
day?
Barbang,
First
Sun and
Barbang,
Sand,
Sun and Sand,
and then Mirage.
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 How much money you have in your wallet right now? How much money you have? Pull your wallet out, bro.
Family
and then give it to me. Okay, all right. So
Okay.
are we okay with this? You want to move on to the next one?
Yeah,
Let's go to
do
the
it.
Thank you,
Okay.
Muneet.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Vineet.
Third is Bhavesh, correct?
We met on a dating app. Actually, I'm from Bhopal. I didn't mention that. So when I came for college, तो थोड़ा social बहुत कम था. College जाता था, पढ़ाई करता था. I was working also.
ये किस साल की बात है?
2023. So my friend suggested me to go on a dating app.
Which
and Hinge. So I used Hinge and I wrote interesting prompts and I was looking for her. That's it.
Huh.
What was the prompt that you responded to? What was her prompt? that you-
Her prompt, actually, she mentioned she liked Bollywood filmy guys, like to understand her Bollywood references. I thought I'm the one I can do that. Hi, Rocky Randhawa this side. Like, if she gets that.
Oh, you said Rocky Randhawa this side.
Yeah.
What a powerful move.
Amazing.
What
Very
did she
cute.
reply with?
Yeah, she replied, oh, hello. That's all. So then I thought I should be a more filmy thing. So I tried like more filmy lines.
What is the next film you like to try?
Naina. Hi Naina, कैसी हो Naina?
I
Who's
would
your
have
favorite
tried.
actor?
Her favorite actor, Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer
Let's
Singh.
go!
Ah!
Ranveer.
Did he pay you to say that?
Oh, Ranveer, yeah. This is not paid. This is not
50 रुपए card overacting का.
paid. No, actually this is not paid.
What was the first date? Where did you guys go out?
मेरे पास इतना पैसा नहीं है, पापा का बिजनेस नहीं है, तो obviously a small, normal cafe.
Sure.
Cafe, which was in Marine Lines only. Flavor Z, you can just search it. It's a
No, I don't
genuine
want to
cafe.
search it. No, don't tell me what to do, bro.
It's your.
Calm down. Why are you so violent? We believe you, bro.
Sorry,
It's
sorry.
such
Go
a
on,
generic name for a restaurant. Flavors.
Flavor Z.
Flavors.
Flavor Z.
Flavors with a Z.
Yeah.
Okay,
with a Z.
okay.
Interesting.
What did you order?
Salad.
Salad. Is she into fitness or what?
Yeah, she's into fitness and
Are
she
you
likes
into
it. Yeah, I'm also into fitness. I can cook also, so
Damn.
Have you ever cooked for her?
not really, but I really need to.
What's her favorite dish?
Her favorite salad.
Salad.
Hey!
Hard दिन घास फूस, bro.
No one's favorite dish is salad.
My favorite is also
My
salad.
favorite dish is a salad.
Yeah, see,
झूठ
that's right.
बोलते रहते हैं.
I like a salad, but it can't be a okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
By the way, it can't be a favorite dish.
Exactly.
I like a salad,
I
but,
also like a salad,
but favorite dish, please. It
My
has to be
favorite dish is
something
rajma chawal.
childlike.
What is one thing where like if you buy it and give it to her, she'll be like,
उसका दिन बन जाएगा. Like oh my god.
Achha, that if it'll be a cheat meal, then I'd say a pizza and a beer.
Pizza and beer.
Yeah.
Wow. So
That's
she likes beer, vodka, and Jaeger. Love it.
No, she doesn't like vodka and
She doesn't like
no,
vodka.
she likes
Her
she
other
loves
boyfriend
beer.
said something
she loves beer.
okay.
She's a health conscious person that loves beer.
That's a cheat day. I told you it's a cheat day.
Oh, cheat day, cheat day. He said cheat day.
Okay.
Thank you, Bhavesh.
Thank you so much, Bhavesh.
Plays with cameras. Shreyansh, let's do this. Rejected. Next.
Go on, tell us. Yeah, hi.
What do you want me to say?
डेट पहले बता दो.
It was during the COVID period while we were in college.
कोविड मतलब कौन सा ईयर?
It was 2022, the second wave.
She was in your college?
Yeah.
Oh, same batch?
Yeah, we were in the same class. So I was good at one of the subjects, and she texted. She didn't even text. She called me immediately, like, "Hey, I have some issue with this thing, and can you teach me this and that?" So I was like, "Yeah, sure, I'll teach," because लौंडों को पढ़ाना पसंद है. There was a speculation around our friends कि हाँ हम लोग date and all कर रहे हैं and all, because we used to study a lot together and उसकी snaps and all.
Fair.
You get that, right? तो उसके बाद she was like कि you know let's prank our friends that we are dating. So we just started saying to people, are like, we are dating and all, you in the morning.
It's the story. She just doesn't
Please
care.
do better.
She's like, "ये कहाँ जा रही है?"
No girl would ever want to prank by telling people that
Yeah.
she's dating someone.
Women when
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah,
No,
they
no.
will hide it. They
That
will
happens to
save
me
it
all
like
the
nothing
It
else.
actually happened.
It happens to me all the time.
This happened. This actually happened.
Anyway, yeah. Sorry.
This actually happened. So she was like, I genuinely like you. Would you actually like to, date and stuff? I didn't say no. I didn't say yes. I was
Wow,
like,
what a player, dude. He didn't say yes or no.
I'll think about it.
She's so shocked about
I just said that, okay, I don't want to do something that is so special online.
Wait, what city were you in?
I was in Japan.
Jaipur. And she was in Bombay.
Yeah.
Man, how did you meet?
They're in college.
अभी but तुम लोग अलग-अलग बैच में हो यार.
They're in
अलग-अलग
the
बैच
same
में.
batch, they're in the same
no
class.
girl ever
You're not
in
listening.
a batch of people would ever reach out to a boy for help.
Exactly.
Online
Yes,
classes,
very
I used to answer for that particular subject.
Oh,
a lot.
camera
ठीक है,
on.
तो फिर अब आप
Camera on
मिले।
answer.
भाई,
She saw
but
your face.
कौन से क्लासेस में
She
बोला
saw your
बोले?
face and still said. So.
Bro, but even if you took a drop here, you're 23, she's 21. How can you be in the same class?
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know, maybe she just did that.
I don't know. What do you mean you don't know, bro? You're dating the girl.
पकड़ा गया,
No,
पकड़ा गया.
she joined a year पहले ना वैसे, and I joined a year later.
Okay.
हाँ? ये बहुत convenient हो गया. He
ठीक है,
joined a
bro.
year.
Okay, cool.
How long have you been dating?
We've been together since I think 4 years now.
4 years?
Yes. The math checks, sir.
22 से 4 years कैसे भाई?
22.
हाँ,
When we were in
22 when
22.
you started talking to her.
Yeah, okay, bro. Thank you. Thank you. We got this.
No. Imposter. बड़े types में.
Okay.
Goes
Thank
back
you.
Shreyansh.
Thank you, Sriyansh, for nothing.
So trustworthy. Tejas, let's fucking go. 26 year assistant director.
हाँ
Go
यस
for it, bro.
विस्तार में बताता हूँ.
हाँ बता विस्तार में बता अभी.
मेरा एक फ्रेंड था बचपन में कि पापा की
बहुत
ट्रांसफर हो गई.
नहीं,
नहीं आ रहा हूँ पॉइंट पे आ रहा हूँ. तो वो मुंबई शिफ्ट हो गया. तो जब मैं मुंबई आया तो उसका बर्थडे आ रहा था. सो ही होस्टेड अ पार्टी और वहाँ मुझे ये दिखी. तो ये मम्मी के साथ बात कर रही थी उसके. सो आई थॉट कि इसकी कज़िन वगैरह होगी. तो मैं ज़्यादा लाइन नहीं मारता हूँ अच्छे रिलेशन है इस हिसाब से, क्योंकि थोड़ी सुंदर थी दिखने में. तो मैंने बोला यार सुंदर लड़कियाँ वैसे भी भाव खाती है, तो मैं भी थोड़ा सा एटीट्यूड में रहता हूँ. बट मैं तिरछी नज़र से देख रहा था इसको.
तिरछी
तो फिर मैंने देखा कि ये भी मुझे देख रही है.
ओह वाह ओके.
और ये उस टाइम पे सी फूड खा रही थी, फिश. आई यूजुअली डोंट लाइक सी फूड. तो मुझे लगा यार ये मच्छी खाती बंगाली तो नहीं है. उसके बाद जब हमने फ़ोटोज़ वगैरह लिए तो मैंने इसका नाम देखा टैग में. फिर मैंने इसको घर जाके तुरंत रिक्वेस्ट भेज दी. एंड द मोमेंट आई सेंट हर, उसने तुरंत एक्सेप्ट भी कर ली. तो मुझे
She has a
लगा
private account.
हाँ यस.
She's a model. Why do you have a private account?
Actually, she have 2 accounts. She have 2 accounts. She have 2 accounts. So मैंने एक इस पे भी भेजी, उस पे भी भेजी. तो जब वो वाले अकाउंट पे उसने एक्सेप्ट की तो मुझे लगा ये ऑनलाइन है.
He's a better detective than us. He's like अभी एक्सेप्ट किया ऑनलाइन तो होगी.
सो मैंने उससे अच्छे से पूछा, अरे नहीं दैट फ्रेंड वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट यू, सो आई रियली हैड अ क्रश ऑन यू, सो आई वाज जस्ट आस्किंग आप कहाँ रहते हो. तो देन शी रिप्लाइड मी, हाँ मैं यहाँ मीरा रोड में रहती हूँ.
कहाँ रहती है?
मीरा रोड.
Meera Road? Jogeshwari East की अंधेरी.
This is all. Anyway, whatever.
वेट.
See where it goes.
सो मैंने कहा कि दैट जोधपुर स्वीट्स, वहाँ पर ना पानी पूरी बहुत अच्छी मिलती है, लेट्स गो देयर. तो ऐसे बोला चलो ठीक है. एंड द फर्स्ट मोमेंट मैंने जब आमने सामने इसको देखा तो मैंने इससे पूछा कि तूने बिंदी लगाई है क्या यहाँ पर. तो शी रिप्लाइड मी, नहीं वो मेरा नेचुरल है. उसमें भी थोड़ा सा मेरा इंप्रेशन खराब हो गया था. आई वाज लाइक कि मैं इसको कितना दूर के देख रहा हूँ. हम दोनों एक्चुअली स्टॉक कर चुके थे एक दूसरे का अकाउंट. तो मुझे लगा कि एक बार पूछ लेते हैं। तो लकीली शी सेड आई मीन मुझे तो लगा नहीं रहेगी, फिर भी मैंने ट्राई किया। तो शी सेड नो आई एम सिंगल।
अच्छी सुंदर लड़की
हाँ
single थोड़ी
ऑब्वियसली।
तो ऑब्वियसली बात है यार, ऑब्वियसली बात
तो
है।
इसने कहा नहीं मैं तो सिंगल हूँ। तो मैं बोला यार ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है।
Okay, but बहुत ज़्यादा ये हो गया. I want to know more. This is 2 years ago, right?
हाँ सो अभी यही तो मोमेंट है।
अरे यार ये कहानी कब खत्म होने वाली है?
तो
ये
फिर
डेट क्या था? डेट क्या था?
हाँ
What date was this?
9 सितंबर।
9 September. Okay, interesting.
So it's been now 14 months.
इसका birthday कब होता
9 दिसंबर।
है? 9 December. What?
नहीं, झूठ है ये।
क्या?
ये सब that क्यों बोल रहे हो सब लोग?
What's the zodiac?
Sagittarius।
Ah, nice.
Is that right? I don't know.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
ठीक है तेजस.
Okay।
Thank you,
Alright,
Tejas.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. अभी हमें लेना है एक निर्णय।
मुझे लग रहा है इनमें से कोई भी इसका बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं है. All of them are so bad.
नहीं, मेरे को लग रहा है एक तो है।
Well, let's talk about who you want to eliminate. What is the
See, मेरे मन से I want to remove Shreyansh. But I feel like having him around will be nice.
same? But like he didn't come prepared, dude. Like
He
so I don't know
accommodated
in
some
the
dates
next.
and shit.
For me, I think Vineet's story is the most hard to believe because nobody is meeting people at the club anymore.
In that too in
That-
2025.
He had the How I Met Your Mother. Are you a big How I Met Your Mother fan?
Hey.
Can I?
You can say it's
you
fine.
can.
Have you?
No, no.
Do you know this episode that he's talking about?
Yes.
Okay, you know what's happening. Okay.
Okay, so when he was introduced to you that way, you were like, oh, this is so cool, or you're like, you so cringe.
I mean, if you have a face like that, everything is cool.
Whoa. Okay. So okay.
No, for me, I'm just like
Face is nice.
looking his personality. He doesn't seem like the kind of guy who would go out clubbing and
He
actually
said
like-
that already.
Said that
He's
an
not the. He's an
No.
introvert. His
It's not
friend
big.
made
Where are your notes?
No, I-
These are your notes. There's one line. हमारे show notes. Look at our notes,
I
bro. ये विनीत का दिखा रहा है यार.
Oh, I don't want to show you.
Shit, you also know. Okay, fine. On Vineet, how do you want to keep him or do you want to remove him?
I'm still contemplating. For me, weirdly, I have a feeling that Shant is definitely not the boyfriend, but we keep him for some time.
Yeah.
Tejas had like too much of a story. Like, why are you overcompensating?
He's committed. He's committed to the bit.
He's committed to the bit. Like, there were too many. Like, I'm like, bro, stop talking to me about like what happened a year ago.
Correct.
Like,
And also, where do you live?
I'm Mira Road.
You live in Mira Road.
Yes.
Where does she live?
Mira Road, Kanakya.
Okay.
Kanakya.
Kanakya. Oh, he's adding more details, bro. Okay.
I want to keep him just because I think.
He has a story.
Yeah, he has
Yeah.
he's committed to the bit.
Yeah.
Just we need to chop down the timing of everything.
So this one person we are keeping just for, like
Vibes.
Shreyansh we're keeping just for vibes. Okay.
Or do you want to get rid of Shreyansh, dude? I don't know.
I think
don't
we
want
should
to
get
see
rid
his
of it
face
because
only,
we
you
need
know.
to truly win this.
Yeah.
I want to win this. I want
Yeah,
to
let's
win
do it.
this.
Let's
Let's
get
remove
Shreyansh
Shreyansh.
out.
Yeah.
Vanshika, if you're actually dating Shreyansh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Anyway, so Shreyansh, I'm
Okay,
voting
final
Shreyansh.
vote.
Yeah, okay. I don't want to vote. Okay, fine, let's vote Shreyansh. And anyway, if you
No,
both
but
are...
you can vote a different guy and then we can do a consensus.
Which means whatever you vote won't matter.
then let's go ahead with Shreyansh only. He's playing with cameras too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would vote for Shreyansh.
Okay, Shreyansh.
Bye.
Get the fuck out.
You can. Okay, boys, round
Next
two.
round. Okay, cool. Let's start Raj Rajput. Please step up to the plate.
What are your hobbies, bro? How do you spend your day?
My hobby. I sing, I dance, and I love to act. I'm also a theatre artist. I've done 2 years of theatre in Gujarati.
In Gujarati? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow.
Say some,
But none
say
of
some
it
dialogue
for-
to the camera.
Which dialogue you want
Any
me
dialogue.
to say? Like,
Expression के साथ, you know, you say sad.
Gujarati you want?
Yeah, Gujarati only.
તે બધા જે રમતા છે તે બધા ચૂત્યા જ છે કેમ કે તમે એમ લાગે છે કે તે મારી બંદી સાથે ફ્લર્ટ કરી શકે બટ એવું નથી કેમ કે બેસ્ટ ગાય ઓલવેઝ વિન
Interesting. Very, very
Oh,
cool.
you said something about this only.
आप सबको मिला के
हम सबको चूतिया बुला दिया भाई इसने.
नहीं नहीं ऐसे नहीं कंटेस्टेंट को ऑल
So how long have you been dating?
इट्स बीन 11 months and 10 days
11 months.
11 months and 10 days.
days.
तो आप एक एक दिन
Any,
गिनते हैं? आप hours भी गिनते हैं?
नहीं आवर्स नहीं गिनता वो मिनट्स गिनता हूँ कभी
अच्छा,
कभी
okay.
Oh, the minutes you're away from her is.
नहीं
The minutes he's with her. You have any nicknames for each other?
Yeah.
What is it?
आई कॉल हर बेटू बच्चा टोलो and then
Tolo?
Tolo.
Tolo meaning?
टोलो लाइक इसने एक बार बोला था डांस क्लास में टोलो करके, तो फिर मुझे वो याद रहा।
क्या मतलब?
कोई मतलब नहीं है उसका, बस ऐसे
Have
क्यूट
you never been in a relationship? Have you not had like nonsensical nicknames? But Tolo also weird.
तो टोलो आप उनको बोलते हैं?
नहीं बोलता नहीं हूँ, है बस
है
nickname।
बस.
Who said I love you first?
I said
You said it.
Yeah.
Where? What was? What? How did it happen?
that was 15 November. We were walking on Mahada Signal.
Too many dates have been dropped. bro. Please bro, drop it. Drop the
सच्चे
dates.
प्यार की निशानी है ये तो।
Oh.
15 November.
हाँ।
अच्छा.
And
What
she-
time?
टाइम इवनिंग में टाइम याद नहीं है, तो she asked me to lift her up and walk some, तो फिर मैंने बोला ओके, तो मैंने उठा लिया और मैं चलने लगा।
कहाँ पे?
ऐसे ही उसने लिफ्ट करने बोल दिया.
नहीं मतलब चल रहे थे तो उसने ऐसे बोला कि तू मुझे उठा के चल, तो मैंने उसको उठाया और चल। हाँ
Okay bro.
ऐसे have you ever said?
Let me try करूँगा अपने boyfriend में.
किसी को उठाया
नहीं
भाई.
ऐसे नॉर्मली नहीं ऐसे। हाँ
Do you want to demonstrate on me?
What did you do for her birthday?
बर्थडे के लिए लाइक मैंने तो अभी तक इसका एक ही बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया है, लास्ट वाला।
कैसे किया?
तो हम ये मैं और इसकी एक फ्रेंड, क्योंकि तब हमारा डेटिंग का चालू नहीं हुआ था इतना ज़्यादा, खाली नॉर्मल आई लव यू एंड ऑल उतना ही था।
Normal I love you.
Normal I love you
Dating
no
नहीं
नहीं
कहते.
मतलब ऐसे नहीं था कि कुछ फिजिकली भी कुछ नहीं, और नॉर्मली हाँ
Oh
वैसे।
wow, so power.
तो वो 9 दिसंबर को हमने ऐसे स्टार्ट किया।
ऐसे start किया. Okay.
Okay. क्या क्या बर्थडे के लिए क्या किया?
बर्थडे के लिए इसको रेड वेलवेट केक बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं वो लेके आया। एंड मैंने फिर एक रेस्टोरेंट था तो वहाँ पे हम मिले और केक कटिंग किया और खाया। वो है, नाम मुझे नहीं याद, वो ठाकुर मॉल मीरा रोड में है।
क्या ऑर्डर किया था?
ऑर्डर किया था बहुत सारी चीज़ें। सुबह क्या खाया वो भी नहीं याद। बिल याद है।
कार्ड से पे किया था, यूपीआई किया था क्या?
हाँ नहीं यूपीआई किया।
और कोई सवाल पूछना है?
हाँ जो भी पूछो आप।
अरे नहीं हाँ मैं इनसे बात कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा
Have you been to her house ever?
या
कभी sneak in करवाया उसने?
स्नीक इन नहीं किया है, बट इसके 2 घर हैं तो हम एक घर में टाइम
दो घर है कैसे? ये भी अमीर है क्या? इसका भी फैमिली बिजनेस है?
सिंधी है ना।
बट मीरा रोड में.
Whoa, what the fuck? What has this show become, bro? One last question. What is her most annoying habit? Like, what annoys you?
जब हमारा झगड़ा होता है हमारा कुछ, तो ये चली जाती है लाइक शी कि तू लड़ क्यों नहीं रहा, मुझे नहीं लड़ना है, तो इसको ऐसे तू लड़ बस वही है।
ये चली जाती है कि आप चले जाते
नहीं मैं नहीं जाता, मैं बहुत काम रहता
तो
हूँ।
तुम झगड़ा चल रहे थे, चली जाती है.
नहीं मतलब लड़ रही है और सुना के चली जाएगी।
Power move, honestly. I wish I could do that.
हो? Okay. विनीत. आप नर्वस तो नहीं अपने गर्लफ्रेंड के बगल में खड़ी हो? आप किससे पहले?
More nervous.
Have you had more girlfriends before?
No, I've been only in one relationship and this is the second one.
The second one. Oh wow. How long did the first one last?
Around a year. It was school days, like बचपन का प्यार बोल सकते हैं। No, it's
Let's not talk about his other
Yeah, I'm
relationships
not trying
and
to figure
how
his
this.
patterns in relationship.
What did you like in your previous girlfriend?
Don't answer that. Yeah, what is her most annoying habit? What does she do that annoys you the most?
like when we have an argument, वो communicate नहीं करती।
वो
She
चली
like
जाती।
no, she doesn't leave. She keeps it to self. Like वो ज़्यादा open नहीं होती। Like
girls
she
do that a lot.
वो बहुत ही specific words curate करती है and then after couple of
ये
hours
गलत चीज़ है.
she sends a long message with
Ooh, yeah, girls do that.
proper detailing.
Yeah.
Like that annoys me. Like जब गुस्सा हो बोल दिया करो ना यार।
I
Like communicate
Vanshika
open
बोल
bro,
दिया
then
करो
that's
यार।
the whole
So
point.
sorry, I believe you had to get through it.
आपको डर लगता है उससे?
कभी कभार थोड़ा
डरना भी चाहिए, अच्छी बात है।
wait. Kavya's pushing her ideology here, which I will not stand for. लड़कों को नहीं डरना, किसी को भी नहीं डरना चाहिए.
नहीं. What is your love language? And like both of your love language.
My love language is physical touch and gifts, obviously, but she does something more special. Like मैं सिर्फ बुके देता हूँ, वो बुके पे किस करके वो बुके देती है. So that's something she puts really a good thought in every gift she gives. So मैं वो सीखने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
What's your nickname? Nickname
She calls me V. I call her Vanshu and V. Like
V. But no baby Shona Babu.
no, we find that cringe.
You find that cringe?
I like
Not
that
even
note.
babe.
टेक्स्ट में हो जाता है, टेक्स्ट में बूबू दूदू भी हो जाता है.
Text me.
Oh, that's an anime, yeah.
What the fuck?
That's an anime.
That's an anime, like that's दो कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, they love each other. Yeah, बूबू दूदू. And we share.
Who's saying Gudu?
अरे obviously, अरे no. वो रील शेयर करते एक दूसरे को उसके.
I just want to ask Vanshika two questions, sorry.
Okay.
The first is, who was your childhood celebrity crush? When you were younger, which celebrity did you love? And who's your current celebrity crush?
Good question.
बचपन में I used to love Salman Khan a lot, and now I like Ranveer Singh.
Ooh. Have you met her friends?
Yeah, I did.
Do her friends like you?
She tells me everything honestly. So हाँ उसके friends ने like कभी कभार बोला है like बहुत ही जल्दी तुम लोग commitment नहीं दे रहे हो. Is he right for you?
What is the last compliment she gave you?
I dress really good. Like मैं solid colors ही पहनता हूँ and mostly I wear formals. Specifically इसने बोला आज कुछ casual पहन के आना. Like I usually
ये आपको
prefer.
casual wear है?
इसने जो बोला इसलिए अभी recently लिया.
Okay.
I usually wear Chelsea's.
Oh.
You're a Chelsea fan?
Yeah, I usually wear Chelsea's. थोड़े heels वाले, थोड़ा लंबा दिखता हूँ ना.
This guy's my guy.
Does she watch football?
No, she doesn't.
Does she get annoyed when you watch football?
मैं भी नहीं देखता हूँ. I'm a cricket fan.
अभी तो बोला चेल्सी फैन है.
Chelsea boots.
Chelsea boots. Oh, we thought he was a football guy. He's just a fashionista.
Chelsea boots.
चेल्सी बूट्स लिख लेते हैं यहाँ
Chelsea
पे.
boots. Okay, I don't like you anymore.
Okay, cool, interesting. Should we get the next guy?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Thank
Bhavesh.
you.
He did like a weird this kind of action when he came in. Oh, respectful. Good. Okay. Same.
Outside of college, what do you do? What are your hobbies? How do you spend your time?
I work out, I cook, I watch movies,
Interesting. What is your favorite thing to do together?
late night walks, Marine Drive, and
आप
listening to
अंधेरी से
music.
मरीन ड्राइव तक walk करने आते हो?
नहीं, मैं सांता क्रूज रहता हूँ. And
पर
she
आप
stays
उसको
in
अंधेरी से
But
pick up
वो
करके
तो नीला रोड में रहती है ना?
अंधेरी. वो तो इन लोग ने बोला ना अंधेरी रहती है.
वो अंधेरी रहती है.
हाँ, she lives in अंधेरी and I'm in Santa Cruz.
3 लोग ने मीरा रोड बोल दिया ऑलरेडी. और तू अंधेरी बोल रहा है.
We can't
What if she
trust
lives in
all of them.
Bandra?
We can't trust their information for.
तो कोई मसला
Okay, but if she's having a bad day, ठीक है, bad work day हो गया, she's come to you, she's complained. What will you do to make it up to her? Like what? How will you, like you know, make her day
I just
better?
tell her terrible jokes.
Do you think she thinks you're funny?
Yeah, definitely. She laughs at my jokes.
चल एक जोक क्रैक कर see if she laughs at it.
Okay. एक नाचती हुई गाय को क्या बोलेंगे?
इरशाद.
Guidance. So yeah, terrible jokes.
That's exactly the kind of joke my point.
Oh.
I understand if she likes you, though.
What do you call a fat woman waiting for a bus?
I don't know. I don't want to say anything politically.
Motivating.
I also have one. If you.
Yeah, go for it. Now that we're doing it, yeah.
एक गंजी लड़की अगर रिक्शा में बैठी है तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे?
Auto में टकली.
Yeah, she laughed.
Cool, got it.
And I try to sing also for her, so उससे भी थोड़ा हंसी आ जाती है. So
हंसी
yeah,
आती है उसको.
क्योंकि मैं गाना अच्छा नहीं गाता हूँ. That's
You know we're gonna ask you to sing. Now.
Yes.
You know we're gonna ask you to
Yes.
sing.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है.
Bad song. Find it out.
और गाऊं?
नहीं. Thank you. Singer.
If she wants, I'll sing. If she'll say yes.
This is not her show right now.
Okay, what is
मेरा शो है.
Okay, sorry. Did we
Sorry.
ask?
Sorry, guys.
And who said I love you first?
I didn't say I love you. If you have seen You, the web series, he says I wolf you.
Oh God.
So
I don't think you want to take references from shows about serial
I really like that series. That's why I just
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But is there a show that you both love that you watch together?
yeah. Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma.
Oh, damn. All right.
Iconic. Okay, ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Okay.
ये दोनों एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं.
मैं सबको देखती हूँ.
That's true. Though. Like I can't tell anything from her reaction. She's looking at everyone, dude. I can't
The
tell.
real boyfriend is going to have the time of his life after today.
Oh, okay, cool. Tejas.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Let's get Tejas on.
उसकी बेस्ट क्वालिटी क्या है?
बेस्ट क्वालिटी, शी इज़ चाइल्डिश।
Childish.
हाँ, वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि जब ये थोड़ा सा प्यार में आ जाती है ना तो इसकी ये वॉइस ना ऐसे थोड़ी पप्पी जैसे कर देती है, ये ऐसे ऐसे टाइप से।
And you like that?
यस, आई लाइक।
सारे पास कर दे, दूर रख।
सॉरी।
What are your nicknames for each other?
पिल्लू।
Pillu.
What does she call you?
टेटे।
Huh?
टेटे।
Why? What is the story?
माय नेम इज तेजस, सो वो टेटे शी मेड इट।
Tete.
हाँ, समटाइम्स इवन
Sorry. No, sorry. Tete तो काफी
That sounds
खराब.
made up as fuck. Wait, you've dated for a year, right?
Yes, yes.
So what did you do for her birthday?
मैंने इसके लिए अपने मुंह से फुग्गे फुगाए थे।
हैं?
हाँ, मैंने खुद से डेकोरेट किया था। मैंने घर
बड़ी
पर
बात तो नहीं है।
नहीं, ये घर का चीज़ है यार, बाहर तो हम लेके गए थे इसको, बट इसके फ्रेंड्स भी आए थे।
कौन
पेंगुइन
से
किया
साल
था
का बर्थडे हुआ इसका इस साल? हाँ।
इसका 9 दिसंबर को हुआ था ना,
नहीं, फिर
अभी
how
आएगा
old is she
वापस।
turn?
22 अभी होने वाली है।
फिर वो भी होने वाली है।
हाँ।
नहीं, ये वो जो बर्थडे था,
हाँ।
ये कौन सा ईयर का था?
ये 2024 अभी,
How old did she turn?
तो तब तो 20 थी, तब 21 हुई होगी ना।
हाँ यार, basic बात यार, काम यार। ये भी नहीं आ रहा क्या? He has so much condescension in his voice. No? At 20 कितनी?
I'm interested in the age difference.
और ये 5 साल का age gap, doesn't it affect the relationship? Because there might be some references that you might have that she might not get.
She is childish, so I am also childish. तो मैं भी इसके सामने वो
You're
अपना
a man
वर्जन,
child, basically.
हाँ, तो दैट्स वेयर हमारी बॉन्डिंग ज़्यादा अच्छे से जमती है, और वो एज गैप इतना फिर समझ में नहीं आता है।
Okay.
Cool. Thank you, Tejas. Now we will. I think Kavya has a couple of questions she wants to ask Vanshika, and then we'll do a test.
Yeah, we'll do. I'll ask questions to Vanshika after this round.
Okay, done.
I
Cool.
think I have. Like we want to eliminate first.
Should we end this segment? No, we have to eliminate first. Keep Pinky Ponky.
No, I know my vote. I think it's
I
Tejas.
also think it's Tejas. Yeah.
It's Tejas, bro. Tejas is a very 100% no.
Oh, you guys are confirmed?
I am.
I am convinced.
Then I will also have to vote Tejas. Sorry, brother.
Sorry, Tete.
You're out.
Okay, never mind.
Tete.
Tete.
Bye,
it was great
Tete.
seeing you.
Tata, Tete. All right.
Okay.
Final 3. Let's go. All right.
Okay, amazing.
All right. So this basically this round is to check how compatible everyone's with each other, and we are going to do like a stare off. So basically, each one of you will come, stand at your mark, face each other, and stare at each other for 30 seconds while talking about your day. Okay? Chalu kare? Are we all ready?
But you have 30 second stops, okay? So like,
Yeah, I'll set a timer.
Let's do 30 seconds conversation and 30 seconds just stare.
okay, cool. Let's do
Yeah.
that.
Chalo.
She will just answer. आपको
come.
question पूछना है.
3, 2, 1, start.
याद है जब हम पहली डेट पे गए थे?
अरे नहीं भाई, आज के you just have to do like
अच्छा, आज की बात कर, आप
हाँ,
gentle
आज की बात
conversation यार. ये तो एकदम intense रहा.
Eliminate.
मुझे लगा कि वो पहले डेट
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
और थोड़ा वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ, मुझको भी सुनना है.
हमें सुनना वंशिका भी क्या बोल रही है.
सो कैसा रहा था आज का दिन?
अच्छा था।
मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं था, मुझे तो बहुत पॉजिटिवनेस हो रही थी, इनसिक्योरिटीज हो रही थी, डर रहा था मैं तो।
क्यों?
अरे इतने सारे
खत्म हो गया 30 seconds. मैंने कहा
ओके 30 सेकंड ज़्यादा होता है वैसे।
Just be keep it up. Okay, it's okay. We just wanted this. Don't stretch it. Okay, guys, 30 seconds eye contact.
no talking, just looking into
15
each
seconds
other.
eye, 15 seconds eye contact.
15 seconds.
Yeah.
चलो 3, 2, 1 start.
मैनपुर से गाना गा रहे हैं तो बोल के का चैनल चला.
मैंने से गाना है क्या? Oh shit. कट कर देना ये. Done. Okay. बहुत
Thank you,
passionate
Raj.
लग रहा है, Raj. चलो ठीक है. Next. Vineet. Okay, 3, 2, 1 start.
How was your day, V?
It was good.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो यार.
It was good.
Yeah.
What did you do from the morning? Like, सुबह से क्या किया?
कुछ नहीं, बस जिम गई, खाना खाया, नैप लिया और यहाँ आ गई.
It's good that you're following your timetable as we planned.
I know.
There's a lot of tension.
ओके और कुछ नहीं है तुम लोग बात करने के लिए ठीक है
बहुत कुछ है
चलो
but
बहुत कुछ है but-
बाकी बातें
Okay,
बाद में।
okay, I come back.
Start. Oh, they've already started.
I'm so uncomfortable.
No, I'm locked in, bro. I'm
Damn,
I
okay.
love this. Iconic.
Okay.
Fucking
Aja,
iconic.
Bhavesh. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start.
How was your day?
It was good.
And I guess it was a tiring day. And how's mom, dad?
Mom's good.
We'll just listen to music. I'll cook my dinner and let's sleep then on FaceTime.
Yes, please.
क्या?
So, I'll be here.
Yes.
नहीं 30 seconds नहीं हो यार तेरे
ये आप जॉब इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं
नहीं
ऐसे बातें करते हो क्या?
यार बहुत थक गया हूँ यार आज काम पे करना है, मैं थक गया। बहुत दिनों में आज बहुत यहाँ पे आधा टाइम वेस्ट किया है, क्या बताऊँ। मम्मी भी चिल्ला रही है इतना लेट आए हो।
Wow, you really missed this. हो गया भाई और नहीं बातें करते
करनी है मैं तो बहुत कुछ
नहीं अरे ठीक है यार cool cool
Okay, okay.
I got
Stare,
that
okay, everyone stare each other.
30 seconds 15 seconds start
No, I'm locked in. Guys, lock in. You have to look at the facial expressions.
Oh my god.
okay
Alright.
This was the most uncomfortable round to walk.
No, I loved it. I got a lot of information
I got
from
a
all these
lot
guys.
of
I got a lot of
information
information.
thank you Bhavesh thank you
Okay.
All right.
Did we vote out?
yeah,
Yeah, we have to vote.
I think it's Raj who's voted out
Voted out?
I'm confused between Raj and Vineet to vote out because both of the conversations are very like
No, I want
forced.
to be Raj and Bhavesh to vote out.
Dude, Bhavesh had a great
I think
conversation.
Vineet
Bhavesh had a-
I think
Yeah.
Vineet is the boyfriend.
Who?
Vineet is the boyfriend.
नहीं
Just
नहीं
he also came in with this conversation too much like,
No,
how was
bro,
your
can
day?
I just say-
It's good you're staying on schedule. You know, he said that it's good that
Yeah,
you're sticking
No,
to
no,
very
dude, can I just
forced
say, when
conversation.
in the beginning when I saw all the 5 guys, my first thing was like, Vineet to nahi hai. But through the rounds, I'm just like, bro, maybe it's him.
ऐसा कैसे हो गया कि तू यहाँ से यहाँ गई हम यहाँ से
Yeah.
यहाँ आए
I don't know, dude. There's something about
That's
that
crazy,
energy,
dude.
dude. When they were there, I don't know, something about the energy.
There was no energy.
There was energy.
No, I don't think so. We've gone from being Team Vineet to now being anti-Vineet,
Yeah.
and you're now Team Vineet somehow.
I feel like Bhavesh to definitely not because he switched like that.
No, I think.
Like he switched
No,
characters.
that you can do when you're comfortable with the other person, no?
No, I think it's Bhavesh. I think it
I
could be
think it's
Bhavesh.
So because now we're confused between Vineet and Bhavesh,
So
you
we'll
should
let
fire
Raj.
Raj.
ठीक है.
Thank you so much.
Raj Malhotra.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
His name is not Raj Malhotra, bro. Raj Rajput. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, all right.
We are now down to the last two of you, Bhavesh and Vineet. And now what we're going to do is we're going to give you 2 pieces of paper and I'll give you like 5-10 minutes to write like a love letter to Vanshika. Okay? You can take these 2 pieces of paper and you can take these 2 pens and just take 5
Make it
minutes.
as personal as you can, guys.
Yeah,
Like be
any
vulnerable,
inside
be
references.
personal. Just
And
like,
fully, like all the love you have inside of you, know, all of it should come out in this poem.
You guys go back. Okay, cool. And we can take this time to chat with Vanshika.
Yeah, Vanshika. Vanshika is a model, right?
No, I'm not a model. Like, I've done couple of print shoots, but I'm not a model.
So then you are a model. If you've done shoots, you're a model.
Yes.
You have to believe it.
I
You
think
keep saying
I'm a model.
aspiring, you'll always be aspiring.
I have done so many shoots. I'm a model. I'm a model human being. Yeah,
Do you
yeah.
have,
That
do you have
mentions this
like,
person.
who's your best friend?
I would say, I can't say because it's his name.
Oh, okay. Is your
Okay,
boyfriend your
इसके
best
अलावा
friend?
कि कौन है भाई best friend? Who's your girl best friend?
Is it a guy? Is your best friend a guy?
No, if not my guy, then my best friend is
Oh, it's
Asmita.
not my guy.
Sorry?
Asmita.
Okay, and
If
without
not my
revealing
guy.
to us who the guy is, what does Asmita have to say about your current guy?
She loves him. She is really happy that I got the kind of guy I always wanted to be with because she knows my list.
Do you ever want to get married?
Yeah.
Do you want kids?
Yes.
We're just having a chat.
You want one more? भाई इतना
You take one more, bro. You take one more. That's what I'm talking about.
You said 5 minutes, no?
Go for it, go for
You
it.
have 1 more minute, bro. चल.
That was just his first draft, bro.
This is how you overdo it. I think this is what an oversell is. Dude, I'm more and more
Hey,
convinced.
you are just pushing me out.
I'm more and more convinced.
What if
on
the he fucked up the first one, he spelled Vanchika wrong or something? भावेश
भाई
मुझे घर जाना है भावेश He's still going, bro. He's still going. All right.
let's go.
Chalo.
Okay, cool. We'll first hear from Vineet. Come up. Stand, please. Profess your love to your partner.
Ekta Raja, Ekti Rani. I want us to be our final kahani.
Whoa! Oh, that's why I finished so quickly. Nice, nice.
All right.
Good.
A man of less words.
Yeah, but impact.
very
The impact
good.
mattered.
Are you still convinced?
I'm convinced you.
Arey, ye kya? You
Arey,
should
okay,
guy.
okay.
Come on, Bhavesh, prove us wrong. No, prove.
So, hi Vanshi. Starting from the first part, the hinge date, everything felt so real that I went from Jug Suna Suna Lage to Tumse Milke Dil Ka Hai Jo Haal Kya Kare. I'll always make you laugh, motivated, and yes, dramatic too. Thank you for making Bombay feel like home. Hope it's always you and me in there. Thank you. And it's I love you.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, all
दो
right.
कार्ड्स लगे लिखने के लिए.
ये आधा अधूरा छूट गया.
अच्छा ओके.
अच्छा आधा आधा छूटा वो बोल दे यार. बोल दे बोल दे.
2 मिनट और.
नहीं.
Off the top, you want to do freestyle?
Hey, give him a beat, bro. Give him a beat.
Freestyle talking to your girlfriend, you know.
Guys,
Oh God, I'm so confused, dude.
guys. मेरे हिसाब से भावेश है.
I still
हाँ,
think
अब
it.
मुझे भी लग रहा है.
But I like Vineet's poem.
Both. What? How did Bhavesh meet Vanshika?
Hinge.
Hinge. Okay.
And he went to the club. Yeah, the club story is what just doesn't sit with
Correct. No, but he gave a proper.
me. No, bro. She's like, oh, he's like,
explanation.
oh, she came out with me and we went out 4 a.m. I don't think that happens in real life. Can I just?
It's a very
No,
like
no, no,
before sunrise
but-
kind of story.
no,
Yeah, no girl would allow her best friend to just be out till like out of the club and just be by with a guy.
I think
she's
he-
21, dude. Come on.
I feel like I'm ready to
Vote
Bhavesh.
Bhavesh as the guy.
Yeah, as the
main
guy,
man.
as the
Okay,
guy who's
same.
Bhavesh's
The boyfriend.
healthy cafe said salad was her favorite.
Yeah,
food.
dude, that threw me off again.
No, but that's true though. She does work out so much.
Yeah, that's true.
favorite
And she's a
thing,
dietitian, bro. I mean,
Oh
like
yeah, that's true. She's oh my gosh, she does food and nutrition. Wait, how old was Bhavesh again?
21.
21. Same.
I think okay. I've made up my mind.
I also have made up my mind.
I think
We
it
can vote.
could be
Yeah.
either of them, honestly. Dude.
Let's call all the guys.
Wait,
Yeah.
conference.
What if nobody is the boyfriend, dude? Okay, I'm so nervous.
I had so much fun, by the way, guys. doing this. It's too good.
Okay.
We picked Bhavesh, and now we're gonna say whoever is the real boyfriend, take one step forward.
now.
Whether that is Bhavesh or not Bhavesh.
Yes, we think that it is Bhavesh who's dating Vanshika. Will the real boyfriend please step forward and stand next to Vanshika? No! What?
What? Oh my god! I knew he was playing a character. He was playing a character, dude. I just knew it. He was so bakchod. Oh my fucking god.
I'm an actor.
Dude. Fuck! Oh my god.
Wait, so then what point did we eliminate him?
Dude, he just looks too shady.
Oh my god.
No, we eliminated the eye contact round.
So you guys are actually dating.
Oh my god.
True story about dance class and all that.
That was fake.
Oh, that was fake. I didn't get it,
What the fuck, dude? You're supposed to tell the true story.
But I have making one that जैसे इन लोगों ने बनाया वैसे मैंने भी बनाया.
Oh
Okay,
god.
what is the true story? What is the
Okay,
true
what's the
story?
true story?
Almost same है. Dance class की जगह दूसरी चीज but same है.
Okay, cool. Thank you so
Oh
much,
my
guys.
god.
Oh, this was
Intense.
great. Good job.
Really good job, boys. Really good job. And thank you so much, Vanshika. You were so stoic, bro.
Yes,
She was
thank
so
you.
stoic.
Yeah, you threw us off. Congratulations on winning this round. Right, so finally we could not find the right boyfriend, and we fell for the imposter, which is okay. We'll get better. This is our first time. We'll get better at it. We'll do a lot more of these episodes where we'll try to identify the couple. And congratulations to Raj and Vanshika for winning this round of Guess the Couple. Is that the name of the IP?
Yes,
Let us know in the comments who you thought was the boyfriend and if you are better than us. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.
Guys,
Subscribe to Bold